So, hi everyone, this is my Java 634 Cafe Racer. This is what I've done with it. As you can see, I have still much to do, but it's starting to look like a Cafe Racer. And I think I am one of not many guys that decided to do Cafe Racer from a motorcycle like this. And as much I surfed the internet, I found just a few examples of Java Cafe Racer. As you can see, it has a front end from the Lim chopper 125cc. I had to adjust all the triple trees and bearings, and as you can see, I had to cut the tank and the frame. Of course, it's not done. I understand if for strength I added this pipe because I couldn't to move the wheel, the front end enough. It was hitting the tank and the frame, so I had to do little adjustments to fix that. Other than that, what I did, the seat I made myself. What else? Oh, I can show what was original seat. Here it is, and as you can see, it's not much of Cafe Racer style. This is my other motorcycle. This is Iž Planeta 4 with Planeta 5 engine, but it's just for use. So I'm working on that, and I think many of you could ask, why not old Kawasaki or Honda CB or something like that? I live in Lithuania, and back in the time it was Soviet Union motorcycles like Iž and Java and Minsk, Voskhod, and so on. So if I would buy a Honda or something like that, it would be a problem to find parts and so on. And I wanted an old, simple motorcycle that I could fix myself, and I think I'm getting a pretty good result. I want to mention that I made my own ignition key holder. Originally it should be in this place with other forks and ripple trees. What else? I think it's pretty much original. Oh, I took off the chain cover because it wasn't fitting style too, but I'm planning to make a small one on top of that because these chains are not very reliable. When you go in top speed it can break, and I think it could hurt you pretty bad. So I don't want to risk it. I don't know, maybe I'll get some better chain, not Java chain, but something stronger. What else? Oh, I am thinking to change this wheel to a spoke wheel because it's not fitting the back wheel, as you can see. So I'm planning to paint it, of course, buy headlights, corner switches and so on. I have to bend and weld a piece of tube in here. Actually the seat had to be, the end had to be in a little bit up, but when I was putting the leather on I didn't add some kind of rope inside, and I didn't tighten it up, so even the bottom of the seat is lifted up, all the soft part didn't follow it that shape. So I think that's it. It's, I can say, the very rare type, but it is what it is, and it's not bad, I think. I think I could show you how it works. So we have to open the gas case, give a little prime because there is no choke, not like in the Aegis. We have a little handle here, we can make choke. So we turn the ignition on. As you can see, we have lights, neutral and charge. This is warm, and recently she is not starting up very good, so I hope it will run. The carburetor, I think, not very clean. Okay, I think you got the idea. So that's it. I want to apologize for my language because I'm Lithuanian and English is not my born language. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Good luck and bye.